I've had a failure. I was applying one of these wire tightening clips and the screwdriver bit has snapped. I mean, it probably wasn't a super quality one. It was probably just a leftover Chinese screwdriver, so we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. It did fracture, so I'm going to do a different way. So I've pressed this piece of pipe down, and the idea is that will go on there like that, and then I'll turn that. So who knows, it may or may not work better, I don't know. All we can do is try. So I've just used my new tool to apply one of them, and it's worked really well. It works better than the other one actually, because the clip actually goes inside that piece of flattened pipe there, and it grips it really well. So good, another repair, something else to have in my batch of homemade tools.